So this is how to make a simple bubble net. You need a bowl of cotton string and stretch a piece of string between 2 points. I use a double string there to begin with. And then we need shorter lengths, maybe about 1.5 meters, doubled. Then you lay the doubled string over the first one and lead the little points through like so. So just like a loop and tighten them on. Double string, make a loop and tighten it on. You see now I just use 4 here to begin with for a simple loop. And the fourth one, just lift it over, lead it through and pull it on. Now, we're going to have to knot these together to make the net. And what you do is go to center 2 and measure out a distance of about 4 finger length or something like that. And when you've done that, make a turn around the 2 strings together. You're just going to tie these 2 strings in an overhand knot. Just find the best way to do it for yourself. Sometimes it's to turn towards you or to turn away from you, but you're going to just put these 2 strings together and an overhand knot will hold them together and that'll be fine. Now you're just going to repeat that same thing over and over again. So overhand knot, pull the 2 strings through, tighten it, try and keep the ends level, and now we go to the next one. The 2 strings next to each other, tie a knot, and we get a little diamond there, a little triangle, and the same to the other side. So a row of triangles along the top. Now the next we're coming to make the diamonds. Take the 2 center strings again, try and make the same distance, tie a knot, same distance, tie a knot. It doesn't matter if it's not exactly equal, it looks nicer, but for a simple net, you just need to have lots of little gaps like this. Continue on, taking the outside ones and you make a little long triangle, like a half diamond. But joining the inside ones together all the way down, and with 4 strings you'll get quite a lot. And you can imagine if you put in more strings, you get more and more net. The difficulty with bubble nets is that they can be very heavy, use a lot of liquid, and they're heavy to lift. So it's quite a good idea to keep them fairly small. So this is my first attempt to show you how to make a simple bubble net. That's all with cotton string and just about ready to be used. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do when you've finished all these ones is another one down the bottom. There's always time to do one more. You can trim off the ends if you want, but you don't really need to. We're now going to fix this onto some sticks so that it'll be able to be dipped into bubble liquid. So here are the sticks and here's the net. Now I've tied the ends of the net into loops so that now I can put a elastic band through the loop and the elastic band twists back on itself and then wind the band around the stick. That should do just fine for a simple net. Again, take the band, push it through the loop, then put the band through itself, just like you were doing actually with the first move in making the net. Pull it tight and then get the other stick and wind the band around it, like so. And there we have the simple bubble net. Now to make it work, out to the garden and some bubble liquid. Now it's really good if there's wind with a bubble net and nice wind. It makes great streams of bubbles. But here I'm having to make the wind by waving it around, so you don't get quite as good an effect. But they're nice bubbles. And I'm turning around here now because the wind's coming from the other way. See if we can get a better one. But the important thing is just to have fun with your bubble net and make lovely, beautiful coloured bubbles. One more dip and we'll see. There's always one more dip. Yeah, some more now. Now, obviously, when you've done that, you'll want to make more bubble nets and probably bigger ones. And here's one I made some time ago. It's very useful for using up a lot of liquid at the end of a bubble show, but it can be very heavy and you have to lift it up, but it makes some incredible bubbles. So have fun and make a bubble net and see what happens. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.